if you got a mentor that doesn't know how to coach you, how you need to be coached, like, because I know me personally, I'm one of those people. I get very, very heavy on myself, and I'll carry the weight. Like you said, if I make a mistake, I carry that weight with me until I rectify it, or I may carry it for a day or two. Like I'll literally, I could be sitting driving to work and be like, fuck, how I do that? Like, just thinking about where I messed up at. And so if you have a mentor, if you have the wrong type of mentor and they're beating you up while you're beating yourself up, it's hard to get yourself out of that hole. You may need but you can end up being the total opposite. You could be someone that's oblivious to the mistakes you make, and you need somebody that's gonna get in your ass when they need to get in your ass because you're messing up. So it's finding that balance of what you need and truly trusting that person to guide you through the journey. But I think that's the first thing you have to do is find someone that matches with you, because then the next portion is the accelerated growth of being under a mentor. Because I think once you have that and you can kind of trust them to guide you through the process, you're going to go into it kind of like, it's kind of like you got to almost go to kind of like an infant stage, almost a toddler stage. You got to let this person almost take care of you. And it's hard to do that as an adult, to let someone kind of take care of you. Yeah,
it's uncomfortable. It's very uncomfortable.
Super uncomfortable. It's super uncomfortable. And especially like anybody that's out there that is thinking of transition from your job that you've maybe been doing for 10 plus years. Let's say it's a job you've been there, you got seniority, you know what the hell you're doing. Every day you showing up. People may come to you for the person that rectifies problems in that workplace. But you jumping into this, whatever that field may be, whatever it is new that you're starting now, you have to go look for that help. You got to let go most of that knowledge that you gain in that other position or company, you aren't going to really be able to carry all of it over.
Right.
So now you're starting fresh, and that's hard to do, especially, and I know how that is when you've worked corporate for a long time. That position becomes part of who you are. That job title becomes part of who your personality is.
That's deep, JD. That's deep. That's deep.
I didn't mean to take a social level, but I'm just, I want to be transparent. I want to be honest. And I went through it myself. Like when you're that connected, because it's, especially in society, we value ourselves by what we bring in.
Yeah.
Especially as men, especially as Black men, like we value ourselves by how we're able to provide and protect. That job title helps you provide and protect. So it naturally becomes some part of your whole spirit. It's kind of who you are. So it's extreme. You have to be very, very strong-minded. It's going to make you feel weak, but you have to be very strong-minded to humble yourself and bring yourself down and say, I'm willing to learn and do anything to be successful. And if I got to shut up and just bite my tongue for a minute to listen to what you're going to break down for me, I'm going to do that.